Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. We have just installed the 6-point harness kit in the all-new KRX 1000. Before I get this all bolted back together, I've had a lot of questions wondering how the actual 6-point bolts in and what it looks like once it's installed. I've not put the seats or anything yet. I'm going to show you where all those mounting locations are. It does tell you that the assembly time is going to be about 90 minutes. That's fairly accurate on your first go-round, you guys. So basically, you are going to have to take your seats out, as you see here, the whole seat bases and everything. You will need to cut out some of the plastics where the harness bar is going to go in, both right here on the corner and on the back side right here. You can see the harness bar mounted up there. Very nice, very clean looking. As far as down low where the other 4 points are, the kit is going to mount up where the stock seat belt was, down there by your waist area and up further towards your leg area. This hole is pre-tapped right there. Does come with all of the hardware to install there. And then again on that seat belt location there where the switch is, the new harness is going to have that safety switch override there, letting you know that the seat belt is engaged once it's clicked. The machine does have a speed limiter without that seat belt engaged. And there's your other mounting location. Over on the passenger side, same situation as far as the parts of the plastics that are going to get cut out, and I'll show you on another one. The template is already there from the factory. They are retractable, as you can see. You're going to love the retractable harnesses for sure. Here on the passenger side, again where the stock seatbelt comes up and where the stock seatbelt attaches. And then on your forward position, you've got the additional bolts that come with the kit. Again, those holes are pre-tapped. Make sure when you guys put this in that your bracket, a lot of you would think that that bracket goes the other way, but make sure that bracket is in the forward position when you go to install that. That way they're not twisted. What do you guys think of the 6-point harnesses? I'm going to throw the seats in now and get the machine put back together, but I just wanted to show you how those mount up. We've had a lot of requests for that. So you can see clearly how those are going to bolt in. And over on a stock machine here, the cutouts that I was telling you about, you can see that they're already etched into the plastic, both driver and passenger sides, as well as in the corners. Huge tip here, you guys. Make sure when you're cutting these out, you cut on the outside of that line. If you cut on the inside, you're going to have to start back over and cut on the outside of the line. So make sure and cut on the very outmost of that, outside of that line, and even a little bit extra will make the installation a lot easier. When it comes to the switch plates, they recommend you cut on the inside of the line, so it does kind of fool you. And if you've installed some of the other accessories, you're going to start cutting on the inside. But again, cut on that outside of the line. It's going to save you a lot of time and a lot of grief. If you guys have any questions, give us a call, 435-427-3338. You can also check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. The part number for the 6-point harness kit, 99994-1316. We've got them in stock. We've got them ready to ship out to you. Give us a call if you'd like to talk to me personally. My name's Jared, 435-851-3637. Anything you need for your all-new Kawasaki KRX 1000, we've got it. Have a great day, everybody.